Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the paradise. Doesn't that look like paradise to you? Fantastic. It's hot. Marcus wears his Crocs. Oh God,
Oh, yeah.
he will never get a wife.
No, it's so sexy.
Oh, actually, I met a woman today. I'm not sure if she's single or not, but maybe it's...
From San Francisco.
Oh, you already saw? Okay. Look at how beautiful the ocean looks, guys. Phenomenal. I'm gonna leave you a little bit here more because this just looks like fantastic. Let's walk slowly here and let's check out the neighborhood a little bit. But to be honest, I cannot get enough from that. It's a perfect summer season now. Hot, very hot, guys. Be aware of that, stay in the shade. Just go under the sun when you go to the water. Other than that, seek shelter in the shade. You got trash cans everywhere. Sometimes it smells. What are they? They're feeding pigeons here. They're feeding pigeons here. I thought pigeons are only in cities. Look at this. Beautiful. This looks just like perfect. Marcus, how often have you been to the water?
Mom.
Marcus lives at beach destinations since over 10 years. Did you go in the water in Playa del Carmen?
Yeah, maybe twice.
Twice? Okay.
So
few
like in
years.
11 years I've been twice in the water. Maybe
But you can swim, right?
yes. Because I'm what is it, lifeguard?
A lifeguard. Oh, Marcus is a
yeah,
lifeguard.
exactly.
All right, guys. So don't worry. If you're with Marcus, he can always rescue you. Shout out to all the women.
I am only doing the part with the kissing.
Okay. So if you want to get close to Marcus, you can just pretend you're drowning. Then you get lots of kissing. Look at this, the love corner. Very romantic. Now they stopped the music here. Huh?
Yeah.
All right. But it looks very, very calm and nice and beautiful. It is, however, it's very hot. The wind is not that strong, so keep that in mind, guys. You have to be hydrated. As you probably saw today, I pretty much woke up early already today. But I have to start my day with a brain way earlier. I should do it like all the locals here. Start the day at 5 and call it a day early. So I'm totally rested in the morning when I wake up.
But it's a big difference. Like a couple days ago that it was packed.
Yeah. But it is still like, it's way more packed in the evening when the sun goes down. But now during this heat, guys, we are in the main season, summer season. But look at how empty the beach is. The water is fantastic. I was in there yesterday. Yeah, fantastic. The palm trees. It's just a perfect mix here. Whew. But I really need my shades here. I need my shade. Those beach clubs are opening up slowly. Actually, there are some loud music going on, so it could affect your sleep at the Yarra Ocean. So, gotta be careful. I mean, you cannot do anything about it. But I asked some people who lived in Yarra, and they say, it's okay, it's not that bad. And we still did not see the bus there yet.
Never.
We started an intro on a German channel. We were like, oh, today we're gonna go and have a bus ride. we're gonna show you how to take the bus from Da Nang to Hoi An. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. And then we waited 40 minutes and it did not show up. It is what it is.
Then we had to cancel the video.
We had to cancel the video. Fantastic. Woo! It's hot, guys. Woo!
Yeah, but it's 33 degrees.
33?
Yes. But it felt like 38.
Yes, it feels definitely way hotter. Way hotter. We're here at the outdoor church. And I think this is also a Christian facilities in behind, right after that. Maybe there's a proper church behind that too. This is An Thung Won. Oh, I like this alignment here. Beautiful. I mean, like this piece of land would be great to do something. And they should definitely finally finish this building. That would be so great. And this hotel is such a big question mark too. It looks like it's not a hotel, right? But it is a hotel. You think it's called Edu. Edu. Edu.
How do you know?
There's a sign, man. Are you blind? Oh, Marcus is a little bit old, you know.
Where is the sign? Tell me.
Over there. Edu.
Oh, there. Yeah, there.
Yeah, it's okay.
But,
Take off your shades, bro, and you cannot
Jesus
see.
Christ.
Oh, guys.
But here's good. Now it's better.
This is way cooler here. So as soon as you walk away from the beach, usually this side street, this big streets, not parallel, but what is it called? Vertical to the beach, are usually very windy. Windy and nice.
I like this street. There's big.
Yeah. But they're renovating hardcore there. I don't know what they're doing actually.
Isn't it the street where the vegan restaurant is?
Yeah. No one wants to go there.
Well, maybe
But-
some.
I really want to try out the Mi Quang here one time. Whew. They actually have good Mi Quang here as well. The beef Mi Quang. And always very solid banh mi. What I never tried is this place here. I should try it out one day. You know what? Let's walk here in the shade again. An Thung 2. It's basically what you have to do is walking in the shade non-stop. Stay protected. Hey, Sean. How you doing, mate? The Sun Kitchen. People love Sun Kitchen. I never tried it though. And Brecco. Good breakfast here as well. Good avocado toast though.
Where?
Brecco has good avocado toast. Have you ever seen this rice to meet you? Oh God, I'm so hot. Woo.
Yeah, I think this is the right place for you, Sammy. Beauty Academy. I think you should visit this place.
Maybe I should.
Just once.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
It's just maybe, just
You-
a recommendation.
You are in that age, you need that. Now look at this. Farm fresh raw eggs.
Take me home.
And what is this?
Looks like a mango.
Huh,
I think it's a mango.
interesting. Hello.
Massage, guys.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Massage. Thank you. Are
Thank
you
you.
YouTuber?
Yes.
Have a nice day.
An Hoi. Are you a YouTuber? Am I though? I don't know.
Social semi-beauty place. That would be something.
You know what I'm gonna say nowadays? If people ask me what I do for a living, I'm the cameraman of Markus Helwig, the YouTuber.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's a funny thing. I should say that. I will definitely make a. I did not tell you yet, but I will do a break of my main channel.
Oh. Okay.
I will most likely announce it in the next video. And I will go to the gym every day.
But then it's social semi-fitness.
Yeah.
And social semi-gym.
Yeah.
Why not? Dedicated.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Now we have it. Now we have the fitness guy. We talk about gym and then he's showing up.
Yeah.
Show me the biceps, bro.
That is
Show me the
law of
biceps. Yeah. Okay, guys.
That is law of attraction.
Yeah, law of attraction. I know. I'm already scared now.
Yeah.
You want to lose some weight, huh? Fuck my life,
Look
huh?
at me. I gained weight, so I have to do it again. Bye bye.
Adios. Okay, guys. So now we delivered for my 20% female audience too.
Yeah. Mr. Six-Pack.
Yeah. I'm scared. Now when we do like working out and things like that, he was probably gonna show up all the time and say, "Give me 10 more."
Exactly. Law of attraction.
Nah. He might be a good trainer, but he's not as ruthless and vicious like my wife.
Yeah, but
My wife is ruthless, vicious.
she can't afford it because she's married to you.
Yeah. Maybe she should train you too. Maybe I make this video too.
Oh my gosh.
Working out with my wife. She's very, very mean, hurtful.
I think that would be funny. It's just
Yeah.
having a workout with Emma.
Maybe we should do it in a live stream.
Oh yes.
Comment
know
below
what?
today. Comment below today, guys. Comment below. What is the best time for live stream? If I do like a live stream a week on this channel, let me know. Because I think, and look back to my walking tour from today, my live stream, how the quality is. I think I saw it on the TV and I'm like, I like what I see. I like it. I think those are the perfect settings, but I'll still wait for David to confirm. And yeah, I think then we can start doing that. And I think I'm gonna do, until I leave, June 14. Also, Melbourne will be delayed to whenever it's better weather there. Didn't work out for June, but I got the visa anyways. So whenever the weather is better and maybe a few months later, 1, 2, 3 months later, we will go to Melbourne. Whew, my God, it's hot. Guys, stay hydrated, stay walking, stay walking, stay walking. Keep walking. Where are you going now?
I want to go to the pharmacy because I need a medicine.
Yes, let's
No.
go. You know what? Let's go together.
Yeah.
Let's get a warm pill. We're gonna get a warm pill now. I literally, I think I need one. Here, locals every 6 months they're taking this worm pill, and I'm gonna take it too now. I think I took it 1 year ago. I feel like sometimes my stomach is a little bit weird, and could be also the bad nutrition. But I will not make a break for this channel here. I will make daily walking tours for the rest of the year. I might record few at a time and go to other places, but I will have one video up every single day here. There in the front there's a pharmacy. Let's get the worm pill. They usually, whenever you buy worm pills, they want to give you some probiotics too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
80,000.
80,000.
Yes.
We call here the many lactobacillus alert. You take morning one, lunch one, evening one, before meal 30 minutes.
So you take before meal.
Before
one?
meal, 30
Okay.
minutes.
Okay, guys, we just got our warm pills. I'm not a doctor, so don't do things you see online. So do your own research, maybe talk to a professional. But thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.